Hello and welcome back. This is video number 2, and we're going to talk about mapping out your product menu. And the reason why we want to do this is because we want to make sure that we understand what your customers are going to see. So before we map out your whole membership site, let's take a look at your product. And you'll see in just a minute why we are taking baby steps and we're taking a look at what the people see first before we take a look at the membership site funnel. This is why. You see, it's crucial to have an idea of how your tutorial, your video course, your ebook, your software, your digital product, or whatever you're trying to sell is actually broken down into different modules. So in other words, what you're trying to do is you're trying to create a parent-child hierarchy so that you can keep your membership site organized. So we're taking a look at essentially the inside pages of your actual membership site. So here's what I mean, and it doesn't really have to get any complex at all. So let's say, for example, that you have module 1, module 2, module 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or something. So module 1 would look something like this. So you would have module 1, subtopic 1, subtopic 2, subtopic 3. So if this was a video course, your module 1 could be like intro, and maybe subtopic 1 could be like the getting started. Number 2 could be like different tools that you would need. Number 3 would be something else. Now that would obviously be easy for something like a tutorial, a video course, or an ebook. But if you're dealing with something like software, and maybe you could have like the welcome video, you could have access to the software, and then maybe module 2, you could have the video training for that specific piece of software. Now, if you had coaching, if you had consulting, same thing. You would have just breakdown of all of your subtopics. So same with module 2, module 3, and so forth. Now, if you just lay it all out and you have a better idea of how everything is broken down into, then guess what? As far as getting everything set up, your pages and all of that, it's going to be a really, really fast process, right? So that's as simple as that. Just lay it all out, write down module 1. What is module 1? What is subtopic 1? What is subtopic 2 and 3? And if you have an outline, and you can literally create the outline within less than half an hour or an hour. And once you have that, and once you create your whole membership site, all the levels, all the pages, then you can literally go in and just plug and play, plug it in, and then get it up and running, and you're good to go. So literally what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to show you all the pieces of the puzzle in baby steps, so that when you implement everything, it's going to be a lot more faster. All right. So with that said, let's move on to video number 3.